Leminar, our business is centered around our values. There are 6 core values that we operate with: excellence, transparency, compassion, honesty, empowerment, last but not least, discipline.
Leminar was formed in 1991 with 5 people. It's a small trading organization to take care of the air conditioning needs of the construction industry. Out of the 5 people we had, 3 of them are still with us. 2 of them are showroom managers, and the third person is an assistant manager working in the bill collection department. I joined in 1995 as a junior sales engineer, and after 18 years, I'm the general manager of the company. The construction industry staff turnover ratio is quite high. I can proudly say that 32% of the total staff are working with us for more than 6 years, and 8% of them are working with us for more than 10 years.
It's been more than 6 years now since I joined Leminar in 2007. It's a great place to work in terms of job satisfaction, growth, and a healthy work environment, which are some of the reasons I've continued with Leminar for these long years.
Last 5 years which I spent in Leminar, I feel year by year that Leminar growing, it is increased.
Whenever we require, we got a good support from the management, and it is employee friendly as well.
I've joined in 1997, and today we are in 2013, and from that itself we can make out that there is a growth for the company as well as myself, and that is the reason why I am here today.
In Leminar, there is no discrimination. They have an equal opportunity for all the nationalities.
I have been 8.5 years with Leminar. During the last economic crisis has made our company one of the best in the industry to work for.
There is a management review meeting every quarterly or monthly, and we have been given opportunity to speak in the management review meeting if any complaints are there or any suggestions are there.
Management has got a clear vision of what the company wants, and the same has been communicated to all the staff members.
They are always available to assist, to guide, to let us know how to tackle the issues if arise.
It has been almost 2 years right now since I have joined Leminar. The experience so far is really good.
I'm proud to be associated at Leminar, as the management and the values of the organization are employee oriented. We at Leminar, for our employees, conduct many employee recognition programs. We welcome our new employees with welcome gifts. We have long-term association awards for our employees, the induction program for our new employees, wedding gifts at the time of their weddings, annual celebrations like picnic, the Women's Day celebration, the breast cancer awareness.
So being an Arab country, we celebrate Iftar also for our customers.
Leminar is the great place to work.
There's no better place to work at than Leminar.